Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. And I don't know. And I don't know why it just turned on. Yeah, I turned the music on weirdly. Anyways, we'll do Best Dressed. Sorry I didn't talk. I just needed to take for a while. I never really talk in my videos, and it's because I sound weird in my videos. I don't know why. Anyways, I just thought we could do a game of Best Dressed, of course. Best Dressed is my favorite game, and Sky High. Sky High doesn't really do anything, and I can just scroll up and down it will just go on the screen. I have the screen perfectly ordered. And since I do really have scary backlinks now, I have a Freedom helmet and Freedom wings and Freedom bands, whatever. I want to trade it for this. I want like this one, like this. Well, I want one like that. So, anyways, I just thought we'd do this video. 030. Nice. If I do it, and I don't know why I just thought of playing this. It doesn't look good. I'm just gonna pause this real quick. Just to, yeah. Okay. The strangest. Loading. The strangest. I wonder. That looks weird. Weird. Unusable. I've never seen something like that. And that look, if they had a black legendary glove and the angel wings. Nice. Ignore the background sounds. It's just my grandma talking to the dog. Or the TV is going or something, I don't know. And now we're gonna... see? I'm good at this stress, but I never really am first place. Sometimes, once I was first place, I don't know. Oh, look at that. 4 votes. I got 5 votes, right? Once. Oh, look, but most like a police officer. I wish I had these. These are the rarest things ever. I regularly do this. Most like a police officer. This and that. No. This and that. I had a spike call. I'm just gonna turn regular music on.
Right from the start, you were a thief, you stole my heart.
I just put that on. Turn it off. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. Turning it off. Yay! Okay. A police officer. I don't know what else to pick. Look, 3, 2, 1, the winner. Oh, yay, I was first. I think I'm gonna be like the last person, because nobody ever really knows that snow leopards are actually, there's not really much snow leopards. Like Barbara said, there is a lot of snow leopards, but did I mean to mention Pepper? Well, the scariest. Ugh, that's so easy sometimes for me. Yeah. Put something on my head. Sneak that headphones on. Cause it's slow. If you look back, it looks like I'm lying. So, oh, hurry, I meant. If you had the real thing, I bet that would be a great look. I wish I have freedom wings and I have a head feather and I do have these, but I don't have a spike, so I could do the look. But I don't like scary looks at all. That's why everybody voted for me. Cause I don't know who was the scariest. I don't know. Wait. Glitch. Oh, serious. Okay, what about this? What's mysterious? I'll do the last one. This will be the last one, I guess. O3L. This is it's not the most mysterious I've ever seen, but I can go with it. The most mysterious? I don't know what's the most mysterious anyways. But this would be my last clip. Maybe. Okay, yeah. I'll just stop talking. Right now, maybe. Oh, I don't look that mysterious, but time. And now the winners? You and me, and then you and you and you and you. Cool. Now I earned, yay. I had like 15,000 or something, but anyways, let's say bye, Ma. So everybody can say bye, world. Okay.